Namaste everyone, welcome to ITTI Computer World Nepal. As I'm a very special Lenovo laptop some LOQ 15th inch 14 gen laptop. Let's get right into the unboxing. As you can see, your laptop body frame it's completely made out of hard plastic. The left side is completely empty, sleek and nice. Right side there is a USB-C port, a camera shutter, a 3.5mm audio jack and a USB port. Laptop back side there's one Ethernet port, there's two USB ports, there's an HDMI cable and also a power input cable. Laptop as you can see, the power button is situated in the middle which makes it very convenient laptop kholna ra banda garna ko lagi. Coming to the display of this laptop, we're going to get a 15.6 core IPS panel. It is a 300 nits anti-glare screen. It is 144 Hz, which also comes with G-SYNC, so the gaming experience garne belama the ghosting the screen tearing jasto problem haru audena. Now moving on to the most important part of the laptop, the performance. This laptop comes with an Intel i7 14700HX with the RTX 4060 8GB को dedicated graphics card. यस्तो specs भएको ल्यापटपमा तपाईले धेरै प्रक्रियाको कुराहरु गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ जस्तै कि high level video editing, animation and obviously gaming. This laptop also comes with a genuine Windows 11 home key. The benchmarking ko kura गर्ने हो भने this laptop got a 7844 score in PC Mark 10 अनि 3D Mark मा यो laptopले score गरेको छ 9145. If we're talking about the memory of this laptop comes with a 16GB DDR5 को RAM. यो RAM space मा हामीले multitasking smoothly गर्न सक्छौं, तर this laptop is also expandable up to 32GB को DDR5 RAM. Now talking about the storage of the laptop, this laptop comes with a 1TB Gen 4 SSD which is mostly sufficient in most cases. तर तपाईले यो future मा पनि expand गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ 2TB सम्म. SSD storage भएको कारणले the read and write speed of the storage is also really fast and really good. Weight को कुरा गर्ने हो भने this laptop is a little on the heavy side, being approximately 2.3 kgs. Okay, this is it for the review and unboxing of this laptop. If you want a laptop with amazing features and AI under 2 lakhs, then Lenovo LOQ 15 is the best offer for you. You can purchase this laptop online or by visiting the ITTI stores where you can get complimentary gifts and further discounts. This is it for my time. Thank you and see you next time.